Here I hide the column using Ctrl+0. But when I try to unhide it using Ctrl+Shift+0, it doesn't work. This happens because Windows takes over this shortcut. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open Windows Settings. Go to Time and Language. Then, open Advanced Keyboard Settings. Then input language hotkeys. Now make sure you are on the Advanced Key Settings tab, not the Language Bar tab. Here, check if any action is using Ctrl+Shift as a shortcut. If you see Ctrl+Shift assigned, select that action. Click Change Key Sequence. Now make sure Ctrl+Shift is not selected. If it is selected, change it to any other option. Click OK. Then click Apply, and then click OK again. Now close the settings window. This part is very important. You must restart your PC for the change to take effect. After restarting, open Excel again, open your sheet, and the hidden column unhides correctly. If this helped you, like the video.